Pure Life family, Danny here with PureLifeOrganics.com, and today I'm going to show you how to stretch your hips while sitting down. So sometimes we can't always get down to the ground, and other times we just want a nice break while we're sitting at work. So I'm going to show you a nice simple trick. Show you sideways. Okay, so on your chair, make sure your chair doesn't roll around. If it does, just push it up against the wall. My chair is pretty stable, so I don't have to worry about that. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scooch to one side of the chair, so that way one whole side, leg and glute, is off that chair. From here, I can use the other hand to help hold myself onto that chair so I'm not going to fall over. Sit nice and tall, and then for that same side you just scooched off the chair, drag your heel and your toe back behind you, just like so. Okay. From here, we want to make sure we're not letting our back arch like this, so you're going to do the opposite. You're going to roll your pelvis backwards. Imagine you have a tail and you're trying to tuck your tail between your legs. You will automatically feel a nice stretch happening in your upper thigh and in your quad area. Sit nice and tall, squeeze that same side glute, and just simply hold. I'll show you quickly front version so you can understand. So the front, scooch all the way to one side of that chair, drag my leg back. Remember, adjust your pelvis, that's going to be the key trick to this one, and just feel that stretch here. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds or until you find some relief. But this is a great, simple way to help open up those hips, especially if you spend all day sitting. As always, if you have any questions, drop them below.